Hello, I'm Laurent Legrand and I'm a PhD candidate at the Captain Institute in Groningen, working on the formation of galaxies during the epoch of ionization, a long time ago. And I'm going to try to answer the question, where are the missing baryons? To understand this problem, we need to first know what are the baryons. So in the model we have nowadays, which works pretty well, there are three main components in the universe. The baryons, which is the normal matter, everything we can see around us. The mysterious dark matter, which we cannot observe, but we assume is there. And the even more mysterious dark energy. Now we will focus on the baryons. So in our model we predict a certain amount of these baryons, and also looking at observation of, for example, the very first light the universe ever emitted, we assume that there is a certain amount of these baryons in and in between galaxies. When we look around us and we sum up everything we could see and extrapolate a bit, we would find only half of the baryons we were predicting. And so that's why these baryons are missing, because we see just half of what we assume. And looking specifically within a galaxy, we assume a certain amount of this baryon. We see also less than what we expect. And so naturally, we turn to the gas in between the galaxies to see if we can find these baryons. And only recently, different groups found where these missing baryons could be located. And there are two main leads. They would be either in hot gas in between galaxies, or directly in cold gas in the CGM, so in the circumgalactic medium, which is the gas just around galaxies. So why we couldn't observe it before is because this cold gas doesn't emit a lot, or the hot gas is too diffuse to emit enough light. So we need a source of light behind this gas. Then when the light goes through this gas, we can see what's in between the source of light and us, and we can see how much gas there is actually in this diffuse phase. Those are the two places we think, the two main leads we have to answer these questions, but since it's still a recent question, it's still quite unclear and it's still open. We might find other solutions, and a bit of these baryons might be in diffuse gas, in hot diffuse gas, or in the cold CGM. We still don't know.